Good morning, everyone. Myself, Manju Mailar KM, studying at some mechanical department. My seminar topic on injection molding, where the contents are introduction, injection molding machine, injection molding process, types of injection molding, terms, advantages of injection molding, disadvantages of injection molding, applications, conclusion, reference. Where the introduction. The injection molding process is an old technique in which various product is made by using the injection machine. Injection molding can be performed with all of materials, mainly including metals, which is the process is called die casting, glasses, elastomers, confections, and most commonly thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Injection molding machine. Injection molding machine consists of a hopper, screw motion, heaters, nozzles, extraction pin, split molds, clamping unit, injection chamber, drive unit, hydraulic unit, stationary plates and movable plates. Where the hopper in the hopper we insert the ingredients of plastic materials for the molding process. Where the heater is used to increase the temperature of the system to prepare the product in a good finish. Where the material temperature increases to such an extent it quickly enters into the mold cavity. Extraction pin works like split molds and the shape formed to remove from it and further process to be carried out. Clamping unit. It is used to clamp the tool, where the injection unit is used to inject the mold, where the drive unit is used to ramp the mold in the cavity. Right, next. Injection molding process. Where the injection molding process takes place in three stages. Injection of plastic metals into the mold, holding pressures and ejection. Types of injection molding. Reaction injection molding, liquid injection molding, gas assist injection molding, co-injection molding, two-shot injection molding, fusible core injection molding, rapid injection molding. The terms of the injection molding: back pressure, clamping tonnage, cycle time, machine shot capacity, injection rate, molding cycle, holding pressure. Where the advantages of the injection molding: material availability, easy design of the complicated parts, low labor cost, material and color flexibility, mass productions, quality of the product is high, good dimensional control. So these are the some of the injection molding parts. Disadvantages of the injection molding: high, in, high initial tooling cost, part design restriction, accurate costing is difficult, production complex geometry is expensive. Applications of the injection molding, where it is used in the aerospace and in the automotive industries, defense, automotive dashboard, electronic components, and it is also used in the musical instruments and it is used to prepare the toys. Conclusion: the injection molding is considered the most important process in the production of the plastic items, involving complex shapes and vast productions of identical items. Its production service is highly acquired by defense and aerospace field. Next references. Thank you.